Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can arrange apps in alphabetical order in Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to open up our app screen in our Android mobile phone. Okay, and this is how my app screen looks like. As you can see that it's not sorted by the alphabetical order, so I'm going to sort the app according to the alphabetical order. Okay, we can click on these three dots, and maybe this step will be a little different between one Android phone to another Android phone. And for your information, that my Android phone is Samsung Galaxy phone. If you're not a Samsung Galaxy user, maybe this step will be different, but the basic is still the same. You can go to the app screen and you're going to see the option here. And then we can select sort and choose alphabetical order. Okay, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the apps are sorted by the alphabetical order. The last application is Zoom meeting. Okay, and then I'm going to show you another example. I'm going to select sort, and then we can select custom order. Okay, this is how the custom order looks like. And then I can remove the pages as well, like this. Okay, and click on apply. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back to the alphabetical order. Okay, so it will be like this. And then I'm going to show you how we can create folder in our app screen. If you want to create folder, you can choose the first application you want to add to your folder. For example, I'm going to create folder for social media. So I'm going to tap and hold on the Instagram to select it. We can tap on select, and then I'm going to choose Pinterest as well and Facebook, and then I'm going to choose TikTok, Thread. Okay, and I'm going to choose for example this one, Telegram. And then we can click on create folder, and for the folder name I'm just going to name it social media. Okay, all right, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.